Are you ready to unlock the true potential of embedded systems? Did you know that Embed and CMSIS can help you develop faster, more efficient code with less hassle? Ever wondered how real-world products leverage these tools for cutting-edge innovation? Hi, I'm Ashraf from the Educational Engineering team. With over 13 years of hands-on experience in microcontrollers and embedded systems, I've helped over 250,000 students worldwide master the skills needed for real-world applications. My mission? Making complex tech simple, practical, and fun. In this course, you'll dive into the core of embedded systems, mastering MBD and SEMSIS from the ground up. We cover fundamentals of embedded systems, how Embed and SEMSIS integrate with hardware for seamless development, streamlining your workflow using abstraction layers like PAL and MAL, real-world examples that bring everything to life. By the end, you'll not only understand MBD and CMSIS, you'll be building efficient, optimized systems with confidence. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional, you will gain hands-on skills you can apply immediately. One of our students even built a full Internet of Things system prototype within weeks of finishing this course. Ready to take your embedded system skills to the next level? Click the link below to enroll now and start building powerful real-world applications today. Let's bring your ideas to life, one system at a time.